In Windchill, you can edit the attributes of a WT part. After you log into Windchill, locate the object that you want to edit. You can either browse for it if you know where it's located, but probably the most efficient way of finding it is by searching for it based on any criteria that you know for the name or the number. So I'll type in what I do know and then hit the Enter key. And now the search is performed. Over on the left, we can see that we have a number of different objects. I'm going to sort by the number column by clicking on it. And I can see what we have in here. And you're going to get both your CAD documents and also your WT parts, maybe even some standard documents like a Word file or a zip file, depending on what you have set up in your search criteria. Oops, let's go back and bring back my search results. And so in this particular situation, I want to make a change to the battery. Here I see it in the list, and we have both a CAD document, which looks like the little blue box or a blue box on a yellow box, or the gray gear, which is the WT part or enterprise part, the Windchill part. And generally you want to make changes to the WT part, the gray gear part. Now I've made the mistake in the past of trying to make changes to the CAD document, but the problem is the next time someone checks out the CAD document, they might end up changing the values of a Creo parametric parameter, and then when they check the object in, it ends up overriding the value in the WT part. So you just want to make sure whether your different attributes are from the CAD document or from the WT part. But anyhow, here I am on the WT part, the object information page. Now if I want to make changes to it, I will go to the Actions drop-down menu, and here we have Checkout and Edit. I click on that, and that opens up a dialog box and it'll list any of the different attributes that I can change. And some of them will have a drop-down list. So for example, maybe this is going to be an object that we're going to buy from a single source, and we're also going to replace this rather than repairing it. You might not fill in all the different attributes. That's okay. Fill in the ones that you need. And maybe for my department code, this is going to be ENG. That's good. And after you fill in all the different attributes, just click the check-in button. Another dialog box is going to open up where you can fill in any additional comments. Often I end up leaving this blank. There are also a couple check boxes for keeping it checked out after check-in. I usually never need to do that. And here we have an option to publish to CAD after check-in. Yeah, you can do that if you want. Let me click the OK button. And now the page refreshes and my attributes are updated with the new values that I specified. So that's how you can make changes to the attributes of a WT part. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more information, please visit www.creowindchill.com. If you learned something from this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like this video, please click the subscribe button and ring the bell to be informed when new videos are uploaded. Thank you very much.